Hi, I'm Greg Stokes. I'm a practicing attorney in Atlanta, Georgia. We work on serious injury and death cases. What we're talking about today is what do you do when you don't have health insurance and you need to see a doctor? Many times when you're in an accident, it's totally unexpected. It's a surprise to you. You didn't know it was going to happen. Well, unfortunately today, plenty of people are out of work. Plenty of people have jobs that don't provide them health insurance, and they believe that they have no way to see a doctor. Well, think again. First off, day of injury, if it's an emergency, go to the emergency room. Federal law says that hospital has to see you and has to treat you, all right? They have to take care of your medical problems. When you're out of an acute injury stage, they'll release you and they'll recommend that you go to see a doctor. Now, many people can't be seen by a doctor if they don't have health insurance. Well, the first thing you want to look at is, do you qualify for Medicare or Medicaid? Think of Medicare, care for the elderly and the catastrophically disabled. That's what Medicare applies to. Medicaid, think of Medicaid, the aid is to help people that don't have money. Medicaid. You might qualify for each, and then your doctor bills would be paid by Medicaid or Medicare or a combination of the two. Let me tell you something that might surprise you. If you're in an accident, there's a good chance that that accident has certain insurance coverage that might be used. We call it medical payments coverage. And it applies to automobile accidents, it applies to accidents on other people's homes, it applies at commercial residences, it even applies to boats. And usually medical payments coverage will cover anywhere between $1,000 to $5,000 to $10,000 worth of your medical bills without regard to fault. So if the at-fault party or the at-fault business has medical payments coverage and you don't have health insurance, you have a great way to get your hospital bill paid and your doctor bill paid, and any test you might order. The last way to go to a hospital or see a doctor or get the tests is called a medical lien. You might be surprised to know that every hospital has a right to put a medical lien on your settlement. That means if they see you and they bill you, if they're contacted by an attorney, they will wait until the end of the case to have their lien satisfied. And believe it or not, there's plenty of doctors and there's plenty of clinics that will work on a lien basis as well. So do yourself a favor. If you're hurt in an accident, you need to seek proper medical attention. Not only for your health, but the law requires that you help yourself, that you have to mitigate your damages. All right? If you don't know how to get in touch with a doctor or a hospital, or how to get the care, or how to find out about these insurance coverages that I've talked about, please give us a call. Our number is 1-800-700-5050. We are here to help. Thanks for listening.